Kasi ang nag-guess ko sa paliwanag nyo, endorsed and filed by a member ng House of Representatives. Paano kung walang nag-endorse nung isinumitin impeachment complaint? Walang congressman na nag-endorse.
Just like any other bill, it must be sponsored by at least a member of the House. No? In other words, sir, if this is filed by a private individual at walang magi-sponsor, 1, 2, or more, it will not be transmitted to the office of the Speaker.
Tatlo po yung nabasa natin sa mga balita na impeachment complaints. Sa tatlong yun po, alin po doon yung nakapasa doon sa endorsed or filed thing ng House of Representatives.
I wish to, it is not my intention really to preempt the discussion of the sufficiency in form. Yung question po kasi ni Sir, it deals already with the compliance as to form, no? First and foremost, wala pa po tayong official copy of any of those impeachment complaints, no? But I can speak on the rules that by form, dapat supported yan by at least a House member, dapat signed ng private individual, at dapat verified by an authorized officer.
So as not to preempt fully, may mapapasura agad sa tatlo.
Again, we cannot tell yet, no? Let's go back to the process. I was able to see from the news that the first impeachment complaint has been transmitted already to the office of the Speaker. But with regards to the two subsequent impeachment complaints, merong ongoing discussions as to the manner of filing because our Secretary General was on official travel in Taiwan, I guess, no? To represent, I believe, the government when these two subsequent complaints were being filed. We cannot comment again on that issue in the office of the Secretary General because I am inclined to believe that it falls squarely in her discretion as to how she will discharge her function and power in as far as receiving these impeachment complaints is concerned. Nevertheless, the least I can say, kung magpang-abot yan sa plenary, if the question is which will be considered by the Justice Committee, it depends kung alin ang unang makakarating sa Justice Committee. If it will be the first impeachment complaint, which will be referred to the Justice Committee, technically, applying the Francisco ruling, it already bars the two subsequent complaint, no? Ngayon, kung i-transmit nila ng sabay-sabay, at the same time, the three impeachment complaints to the Justice Committee, this is my opinion, we will be prompted to consolidate all those three.
Pero dapat may endorsement pa rin.
In all cases, no, basta nandun tayo sa first mode, filed by private individual, palagi dapat may endorsement by way of resolution by at least a House member.